Alright, in this session what we're going to look at is a particular site that's got their logging switched on, and what we're going to do is show you how you can actually analyse some of the logs. So the best way to do that obviously would be go to the Analyse tab. Now this may take a little while because it's got to pull back a fair bit of data from the Z proxy servers, but it seems to work alright. Now there's a whole lot of tools you can use here. Obviously there's the default one, the transactions, the users, they're all pretty good. But if you go into the Advanced Beta 1 tab, that is, click on that. And then what you can do is actually sort by a whole lot of different things. So what we can do is pick, say, the last 10 minutes from that tab on that side. And I can group by application, but I'm really keen to see, who's the top users on this site. So I click on that and I'll just open up that window a bit. Okay, now when I go, if I come down here, struggle with this a bit, to apply that filter, what you'll see is that this is where it retrieves the data from the server. So we'll just let that happen, and if the file gets too big I'll edit that out of the final cut. Okay, so this has taken a little while, but you can actually, it has come back. So what we've got there is, this is all the overall traffic. You can see nothing in the weekend, and a little bit here in the morning. And then we've got some traffic here that's being filtered, and you can actually, hover over it, see who it is. Or you can pick this here, which is the pie graph view, and you can actually see the biggest user is the default location. And that means that there's some still non-authenticated users, people that it doesn't recognise are coming in from the default location. And then we've got some usernames here, so you can actually see all these guys, 1.3k, 1.18, so they're all using a lot, so you can actually see the biggest users in that space, and then they all fall down. Now if you don't want that, if that's not that useful to you, you can actually get it in a table view, okay, and you can sort it by biggest user, smallest user, that sort of stuff. You can actually get it as a tabular view, which is not that useful, but you never know. Yeah, so basically what we've got there is a little sample of how you see who's the biggest users on your site. So if you've got a situation where the site is running slow, or you think something's going wrong, you can jump straight to this and see who's actually dragging the most bandwidth off. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. See you later.